Alright, changing this choke cable is a pretty straightforward process. You just figure out where it is and where it's going, and you start by removing the 4 screws, your hand controls, and, well, the cup holder, but it holds in the whole clutch lever. This is the where it goes, and all I had to do was pull out the whole carburetor. Here I am doing it again for some reason. There are 2 screws holding in that cover in the front, and then there's 2 under it that hold in that bracket, and some little fuzzies. The end had just got stuck in the little tie down, so I just cut it off. Reinstalling, you should be a little more careful. It'd probably be easier to screw the new one in prior to running it through the bike. Not shown, but be sure to tighten up the bolts on the choke cable as well, and you don't want to do your adjustments till you have the carburetor all the way back in.